Hey everyone, this is Matt King with the King Piers team. We're out here on day one for our project in Lee Summit, Missouri. As you can see here, this first of 4 units we're going to be working on has some very severe cracking on the concrete foundation wall. You can see right through the wall here to inside the home. So this unit in particular, we're going to be doing 6 of our King Pier 1s, and that's where we are going to be excavating down to the footing and then going 49 inches below that footing, which this foundation wall is setting on. And then once we have fully excavated 49 inches below the footing for all 6 of our holes, we are going to be doing our first pour of high strength concrete, which is going to be about approximately 3 feet high once it's all poured and cured. And then once that concrete is dry, then we're going to be installing our King Piers, putting our load-bearing steel plate on top of that concrete, our King Pier on top of the load-bearing plate, 2 30-ton hydraulic bottle jacks on both sides of the King Pier, and then we're slowly just going to raise the pier up until first it's tight up against the underside of that footing, and then we're just going to keep raising it until we get the footing back to its correct level elevation. And then we're simply going to lock the pier into place with steel shims hammered between the load-bearing plate and the underside of the pier, and then pull the bottle jacks out of the hole and then do a second pour of high-strength concrete to encase that King Pier under the footing. And that is going to make sure that everywhere we have installed a pier, there will not be any future settlement in that area. And then we're simply just going to backfill back to ground level and make everything look nice and neat. So we're going to have some brickwork we're going to be doing here. More than likely to get that closed up where we can. And then once that's done, we simply have 3 other units. We're just going to be doing the exact same thing, installing more of our King Pier 1. So stay tuned for updates on those projects at a later date. We're going to be focusing on this one right now, since this is definitely the most severe and the biggest of the 4 units. So stay tuned for more updates on this project. You can go to our website, www.kingpiers.com. You can find all of our pictures, videos from current and past jobs on our YouTube and Facebook channels, or you can just give us a call, 816-288-4373.